everyone! Welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. Today, Ellie will be showing us how to draw a special Father's Day bear. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for lots more how to draw videos. Grab some paper and a pencil. Are you ready to draw? Let's go! To start our bear, Ellie is drawing a circle near the top of the page for the bear's head. She then draws two little ears for the father bear. Can you see him taking shape already? To help us draw a face later on, Ellie has shown us how to draw a cross shape inside the circle. Did you know bears are extremely intelligent animals? They have a great memory and are really good at navigating and using tools to hunt. Right, Ellie. Thanks for bearing with us. We're ready. Next, Ellie draws two small lines to give the bear some shoulders. Then, she carries on by drawing two longer lines which join at the bottom to make the bear's body. Well done! You're doing great! After that, Ellie starts to draw the bear's legs. Ellie is drawing an almost semicircle shape towards the bottom of the body, with the line finishing at the bottom of your bear's body. She then does the same again on the other side. Do your best to copy Ellie's shapes, but don't worry if they're not exactly the same. She has had a lot of practice. Ellie is now carrying on with the leg. She draws two slightly curved lines from each side of the shape you've just drawn. To finish the leg, she is drawing an oval to create the bear's paw. Then, she does the same for the other leg. Before we start the arms, let's have another bear fact. Some species of bears from Asia build nests in the trees. They use these for hiding, eating, and sleeping. Can you believe it? Okay, Ellie, let's carry on. At the top of your bear's body, draw a curved line, almost like a mountain with a curved peak. Do the same on the other side. He looks almost like he's cheering for you. Now, Ellie is going to show you how to start drawing our baby bear on Daddy Bear's shoulders. This is a bit fiddly, but don't worry. Ellie is going to show you step by step. Next, Ellie is drawing a curved line from the top of your arm to meet Daddy Bear's ear. Do this for the other side too. Ellie is going to start drawing our baby bear now. She begins by drawing almost a full circle, connecting to the shoulder of the bear. These are going to be the baby bear's paws, so Ellie draws one on each side. It's time for another bear fact. Bears care really deeply about their families, particularly their cubs. They will often risk their own lives to protect their family. Okay, Ellie, let's carry on drawing our cub for the daddy bear to protect. Ellie continues by drawing a circle above the daddy bear's head with a little gap in between. Then, she adds some cute ears to the baby bear's head. Keep going. You're doing very well. Next, Ellie starts to draw a curved line, which curves down and then spirals slightly in towards the middle of the baby bear's body. She does the same on the other side. Just like Ellie, you might need to stop at the daddy bear's ear and carry on out the other side. Don't worry if the lines cross over the daddy bear's head. You're going to rub some of these lines out later on anyway. Just like you did for Daddy Bear's face, copy Ellie's lines to draw a cross on the baby bear's face. This will help you with where to draw the bear's eyes, nose and mouth later on. We're getting so close now. Can you see the bears taking shape? Ellie is going to begin giving our bears some faces, starting with the baby bear. Draw a small circle on the bottom part of the vertical line. She then moves on to the daddy bear's face. Ellie starts on the left side of the horizontal line and draws a curved line down and round to join on to the right side of the horizontal line. This is our Daddy Bear's snout. Don't forget, you can pause, rewind and re-watch some parts of the video to have a closer look. Ellie continues by drawing a slightly curved vertical line inside Daddy Bear's snout. Then, she draws a small circle on this vertical line. Our Daddy Bear is dressed smartly for Father's Day. Underneath the Daddy Bear's chin, Ellie draws a rectangle shape for the knot of his tie. Then, she carries on by drawing a straight line down on either side of the rectangle and joining them at the bottom with a point. Ellie carries on by drawing a line from the bottom edge of the rectangle up to the bear's shoulders to give him a collar. Wow! We've finished the outline of our daddy and baby bear. Don't they look unbearleavable? For the next steps, Ellie is going to use a pen to draw darker lines for the details. We recommend trying a black ballpoint pen or fine felt tip pen. Ellie starts by giving Daddy Bear 2 eyes. She draws the eyes on the horizontal line, either side of the cross, so that they're evenly spaced. Then, she uses the darker pen to go over Daddy Bear's snout and nose. From his nose, she's drawing 2 slightly curved lines to give him a happy Father's Day smile. Ellie then moves on to Baby Bear's face. She's giving him a little tuft of hair before going over his ears, head and nose. Again, she draws 2 little lines to give Baby Bear a smile too. Ellie has decided to give Baby Bear closed eyes by drawing 2 small lines. Can you copy Ellie's lines to give Baby Bear some happy but closed eyes? Next, Ellie goes over Baby Bear's arms and she adds some small claws to his paws. Doesn't he look pawsome? She moves on to Daddy Bear's head, tracing around his ears and drawing a small line inside to give his ears some shape. Then, she traces over the outline of his head. Do you notice how she adds a small zigzag to part of her line? This adds a bit of texture to the drawing and shows that he's furry. Have a go at doing the same. Notice that Ellie doesn't trace over the cross on either of the bear's faces. You'll need to rub those out later on. Ellie is now tracing over Daddy Bear's tie and shirt collar. Remember, you can pause the video during the next part if you need time to catch up with Ellie the expert. As you can see, Ellie is not tracing over the lines for Daddy Bear's body. She continues to use zigzags and wavy lines to give him furry parts. Don't worry if your furry parts don't look exactly like Ellie's. They'll look phenomenal when you're done. When you get to the legs, watch Ellie's lines carefully, as some of the lines don't need to be traced over. They're just there to give you a guide. When she gets to the paws, she adds 3 small ovals for claws, connecting them together for the bear's foot. She then does the same on the other leg. Let's pause here and have another fun fact while you catch up. Did you know a family or group of bears is called a sloth? How funny! Take it away, Ellie. Next, Ellie moves back up to the top and traces over the small circles for the baby bear's feet. They sit on top of Daddy Bear's shoulders. Inside these, she adds a smaller circle and then 3 tiny circles for the baby bear's claws. She's doing this for both of Baby Bear's feet. Finally, she adds 3 spikes to the top to give Baby Bear some perfect claws. We're almost there. Next, Ellie is tracing over Daddy Bear's arms. Again, look carefully as she only traces over some of the lines to give an outline. The other lines you can rub out later. Try to use zigzags and waves to give Daddy Bear some furry arms. Ellie finishes by adding some zigzags and waves to give Daddy Bear some furry patches, particularly around his chest. Once your darker pen has dried, you can now rub out any of the extra pencil lines and you'll be left with your Daddy and Baby Bear outlines. Give yourself a pat on the back. Thanks, Ellie, for helping us to draw this very cool picture. Ellie is going to stop there, but you can add colours and extra details to your picture if you'd like. Why not cut it out and stick it on a card ready for Father's Day? If you enjoyed learning to draw with Ellie, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for lots more drawing videos.